Hello friends, how are you? I hope you all will be fine. Welcome to my channel. I'm here again with my new video. This video especially I have made for those parents, those have just entered into parenthood and they are just going to start sending their kids to school. I hope my experience of being a teacher will help you to guide, to motivate your kids in study and other fields. So let's start. Parents here, as you know, every child is unique and the situation is also unique, also different. Same way, parents are also unique and situations are also different. Same theory will not work. Every parent wants to child to do study, to go to school every day, get up early in the morning, but child doesn't want to do all the things. He always wants to play, he wants to get enjoy, he wants to touch the things, he wants to feel the things. Sometimes he wants to put the things in her mouth, sometimes he wants to break the things, and sometimes he wants to make new things, right? We can't force the child, but some parents forcefully wants to sit and behave in a proper manner, in a correct manner. This is not possible. Under of fear, under of threat, under of pressure, child do listen to you. But you know, this will not create a good personality. Forcefully make him to sit and study is like a bully. It's really wrong. If he wants to involve in a study, because you know the child's nature, they wants to play always because they are very small, right? I'm talking about 3 to 5 years, right? So when you forcefully wants to make them sit in a correct posture, we can't think. This way, most of the love is required. Parents needs to show their love through affection, through new the things. Attraction is also required. This way you can motivate your child to do study. And especially one more thing is parents needs to be very creative, right? If parent is creative, then it will be easy to involve a child in a study. I have seen some of the parents try different kind of things, you can say, or method, you can say, to involve the child in a study. Like first method, I will talk about this. This says, okay beta, do it for your mama, mama loves you, mama kiss you, please do it. Will you do it for your mama? This way once or twice you can, he will do for you, right? Not more than that. And the second way some parents adopt, beta, you do it this and I will do it this. If you will complete your work on a time, I will give you a chocolate, I will bring something for you. And third way, some parents say, okay beta, do it, do your work, complete your work, I will take it to you in a park. And the fourth kind, if I will tell you, some parents give logical reasons. They say, while telling importance of a study, importance of education, no pains, no gains. If they will do work hard, definitely they will get a higher post, higher level in a society, or right. And the fifth one, that is very wrong and I don't like. Parents sometimes give punishment. If you will not do your work, I will close you in a room, I will lock you in a room. So this is very wrong. If a child really has done very harmful thing, even then don't do this. Rather than doing this, you can say, beta, I will give punishment to myself. I will not talk with anyone. Today I will not have my food. This way, if sometime you can motivate your child, definitely child will realize the mother is doing everything for me and what I have done. Definitely you can motivate this way also. So rather than giving punishment, be creative, try to adopt different things. If a child is like he has started line, he or she has started, he has written one line, so you can say, okay, jump on a bed for 2 or 3 times. Okay, after that, okay beta, write second line. If a child is writing, he has done second line, okay beta, like, now clap, 5 time claps. This way he will enjoy also, and he will definitely do his work in a play way method. He forcefully will not work, right? And sometime if we are doing we are making them to learn counting, so we can give like one half glass of water and a straw. Give a child and say, okay beta, try to make bubbles. He will very happy, he will very enjoy, because he is playing, he is not doing study, right? When he will make bubble, okay beta, count the bubbles, how many bubbles are there. This way he will very be very happy, he will take enjoy, है ना? So this way we are not forcing, we are not pressurizing, and in a play way method we are involving in our study. This way we can involve the child, and sometime we can involve in a kitchen also. Okay beta, arrange the things, arrange the utensils also, count the spoons. This way like he can learn so many things, so many good habits also we can teach them, like this. Okay, wrap the clothes, kitchen, clean the kitchen, cleaning, this kind of habits we can also teach them. And beside study is also important, and extracurricular activities like physical exercises also are important. Physical activities should be also there, they should play some time. They are equally important as the study is important. Both are going same way, right? So this way whatever I felt in my career, whatever I have observed, I have shared with you parents. If you really like my things, my views, you are agree with my views, please like and share my video. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you.